Having trouble with your TV, experiencing those pesky horizontal lines? Maybe you're eager to dive into your favorite show but are faced with a screen riddled with distractions. Don't worry, not all hope is lost. In this guide, we'll explore how to fix horizontal lines on RCA TV and get you back to enjoying your crisp, clear content in no time. Whether it's a loose cable, a software glitch, or something more complex, we've got the solutions that will help bring your viewing experience back to life. Step 1. Check the connections. The first thing you should do is inspect your cable connections. Make sure all the cables, especially the HDMI, coaxial, and power cables, are securely connected to both the TV and any connecting devices like cable boxes or game consoles. A loose cable can easily disrupt the video signal, causing those irritating horizontal lines. Disconnect and reconnect each cable to ensure a snug connection, and see if this resolves the issue. Step 2. Perform a soft reset. Often, a simple reset can work wonders. To perform a soft reset of your RCA TV, simply unplug the power cord from the electrical outlet. Wait for about 60 seconds and then plug it back in. This action can clear minor software glitches that could be displaying horizontal lines. Once you turn the TV back on, check if the problem persists. Step 3. Update firmware. In some cases, outdated firmware might cause display issues. Check to see if there are available firmware updates for your RCA TV. You can usually find this option by navigating to the Settings menu, then selecting Support, and finally, Software Update. If an update is available, follow the on-screen instructions to install it. Not only can firmware updates fix existing bugs, but they can also improve the TV's overall performance. Step 4. Tweak display settings. Adjusting display settings often resolves the issue with horizontal lines. Go to your TV's picture settings and try resetting them to default. You can also experiment with different picture modes or manually adjust contrast and brightness to see if it affects the horizontal lining issue. These changes can sometimes resolve minor display irregularities. Step 5. Inspect the hardware. If none of the above steps work, the problem might be related to the TV's internal hardware. Horizontal lines could be a sign of a failing display panel or a loose part inside the TV. Before you consider replacements or costly repairs, gently tap the TV's bezel or frame. If the lines flicker or disappear, you might be dealing with a loose internal cable. In such cases, professional assistance is advised to avoid causing further damage. Understanding how to fix horizontal lines on RCA TV is essential for anyone eager to maintain a smooth viewing experience. By examining the problem systematically, from simple cable checks to advanced troubleshooting techniques such as firmware updates and even professional repairs, you can address and resolve this common issue efficiently. Prioritize safety and be methodical in your approach to ensure you tackle the root of the problem. With these methods, you should eliminate those horizontal lines and return to uninterrupted viewing bliss. So grab your remote and let's get you back to that clear picture.